In this section of the Windows 11 course, we will discuss about task view. In my previous topic, I have disabled the task view. Now I will go and enable the task view. To enable the task view, I need to go to personalization, and under taskbar, there is an option for the task view. So I will enable this option, task view. If I place the mouse cursor on the task view, I can see there is a preview of desktop 1, and I can even create new desktop. If I click on plus, I'll be able to create new desktop. And if I place the mouse cursor again, we can see there are two desktop which has been created. So desktop 1 is the default desktop, and desktop 2 is the one which we created now. If I want to delete the desktop, I will cancel this. I'll simply close this. The desktop will be deleted. So now I have only one desktop, which is the default desktop. In task view, we can have multiple desktop. In each of the desktop, we have different applications running. Let us say in one of the desktop, we wanted to have all our regular applications running. Let us say I am using word processing or Excel or any other applications which I am regularly using. I wanted to keep it in desktop 1, and in another desktop, if I wanted to listen to the music or if I want to browse internet, I can use another desktop. For that, what I will do is I will open some of the applications. I will open the file explorer. I will open the edge, and I will also open this settings, and I will open this recycle bin. So this is just to make sure we are moving some of the application to different desktop. If I place the mouse cursor again, there is no desktop now. I will click on this task view. Now I can see the applications which I have opened. If I want to move some of the applications to different desktop, I have to simply right click, and I have to say move to new desktop. If I click on move to new desktop, a new desktop will be created and the Edge browser will be moved to new desktop. Now, if I open this desktop 2, this is the Edge browser which has been moved to new desktop, which is desktop 2. Under desktop 1, I don't see this Edge browser. I don't see this Edge browser which was opened. And now, if I want to move this recycle bin application to desktop 2, I can move to desktop 2 like this, or I can simply drag and drop to the desktop 2 like this. Now, all our applications which I was using in desktop 1, it is there in desktop 2. If I double click on desktop 1, I don't see any more applications which are running on the desktop 1. If I click on task view, if I open desktop 2, now all my applications are here inside the desktop 2. Now you can see whatever applications I was running under desktop 1, everything is there in this desktop 2. And if I want to cancel, if I want to move everything back to desktop 1, I can simply drag everything to like this. And now if I click on desktop 1, I can see all the applications which I was using earlier. It has moved to desktop 1. So now I want to delete desktop 2. I can simply delete this. I can close this, and the desktop 2 has been deleted. So you might be wondering, if I have moved all the applications under new desktop, and what will happen if I delete the desktop? Everything will move back to the desktop 1 automatically. Now I can see all the windows which I have opened inside the desktop 1. So this was about task view. I will see you on the next topic.